All right, example number 2, collect like terms and simplify. So there's very little reordering here, but there might be a little bit. And it's just like the previous example. But we're now, yeah, I guess it is, but it looks almost a little easier. So we'll just take a look. We need to see which ones are alike. So this has an X, and this has an X. This has a single Y, and this has a single Y. And I like to write the X's first in descending order. So this 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 is negative 5, and the alike variables are X. And negative 5 and negative 6 are negative 11, and the variable is a Y. And so that's it. We've combined like terms. Looking at B, there is a 10x squared and a 5x squared, and then a single x. And so that's not going to be of any use, and there's no other terms. So the x squareds are the only things that are alike. 10 plus 5 is 15. And there's an x squared, and then we've got the minus 7x. Let's take a look here. C. So what things are alike? So we've got a 4a and a negative 4a, and then a 7b and a negative 7b. So 4a minus 4a, so those are there. 4 minus 4 is 0, so we have 0 a's. And then 7b minus 7b, so 7 minus 7 is also 0, so plus 0, and our alike terms are b's. So if you have 0 of anything, well, then that's just 0. And 0 b's is also 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So this simplifies to absolutely nothing. It's completely gone. Okay, well, let's keep trying. Let's look at D. 4xy, 5y. Okay, well, let's rearrange it. So 4xy plus the 4 minus the 5, and then xy minus 7. So I just reordered the letters there. Now, what are alike? Well, as this is a positive, this is an x and a y, and this is also an x and a y, so these are alike. And this has no variables, but this also has no variables, so those are alike. So how many xy's do we have? We have 4 minus 5. That's a negative 1. And then we have a 4 minus 7, which is a negative 3. So we have a negative 1 xy and a minus 3. You don't actually have to write the 1, though. You could, if you wanted to, just write negative xy minus the 3. So it looks like we're gonna have to do some rearranging for these ones. D had some rearranging, so now E, 6, and then we gotta do the x squared, then the y, minus 4, that looks okay, that's already in the right order, plus 2, oh, that's also okay, that's in the right order. So which ones are exactly alike? So the x squared y and the x squared y, and this one does not count. So how many x squared y's do we have? We have a 6 plus a 2, which is a total of 8. And then we have to carry this thing down here, minus 4xy squared. To rearrange it, find the ones that are identical, and then combine like terms. So F, I'm going to have to rearrange this. Okay, so that's a 4. Then there's a single x, and then a y cubed, and then a z squared. So I just rearrange that one. Minus 6, there's a single x, there's a y cubed, and then there's a z squared. Plus 4, there's a single x, there's a y to the power of 3, and a z to the power of 2. So which ones are the same? X, y cubed, z squared, x, y cubed, z squared, x, y cubed, z squared. They're all alike. So really I have to go 4 minus 6, which is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 4, which is positive 2. Or you can think about it as you have 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus the 6 is 2. And then the like term is x, y cubed, z squared. So that's kind of nice. You rearrange it, and then they're all alike, so we can combine like terms. So I'll zoom that out so you can see, there's no more there. And we have one more question that we'll save for the next video.